Hello world, this is Random Fix, and today we're going to be discussing in-house financing and what is it and how does it affect you. So in-house financing is a loan provided by a dealer instead of a traditional credit union or a bank, and a lot of times this happens because the borrower's credit just doesn't meet the bank's requirements, and the dealer decides to take the risk himself and give a loan on the vehicle. And this can be really good if maybe you just came out of a foreclosure, and the dealer still wants to take a chance. You just don't meet the bank's requirements and the dealer has a good feeling about you, or you don't have any credit but you have a good down payment, you have a good job history, and all the banks have turned you down. In-house financing can work. There is one problem with in-house financing, and that's disclosure. A lot of times no proper disclosure is actually given to the borrower, and a great example of this is the GPS units that they install on these vehicles. And the GPS units are basically trackers. In case you don't make a payment, for whatever reason the dealer wants to pick up the vehicle, they can actually go ahead and locate it on the spot. They can put a geofence around your house, so anytime you come or leave, they get notice. And it even goes as far as they can turn off your car and reactivate it right when you make a payment. So that could be a little bit scary, especially if you have kids, you're going somewhere and you haven't made your car payment for whatever reason. Things happen in life, and you go to start your car, you have your kids in the back of the car, and you can't go anywhere. It's a pretty scary thought. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. There's a lot of laws that protect consumers, but a lot of times these dealers don't want to follow them. And just thought I would share this with you guys. If you guys are looking into in-house financing, there's nothing wrong with having a GPS device on the vehicle, as long as you're aware of it, the dealer has informed you about it. With in-house financing, most of the times they will not report to the credit bureau. So if you are doing this to establish your credit, I'm going to tell you guys, you should be asking that question ahead of time. If this is going to report to your credit, 99.99% of the times it will not. And an additional thing to keep in mind with in-house financing is a lot of times the dealers feel that they don't have to play by the same legal rules as a regular lender. So instead of giving you that 10-day grace period that you have here in California, for example, if you're 1 day late, they'll charge you the late fee, and they might even repossess your vehicle because you're 1 day late. So this is something to consider. Please leave your comments and your questions about in-house financing below. I worked in that in-house financing world for a long time, and I got to tell you guys, I met a lot of great people, and it was an amazing experience. I got to help a lot of families out. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you in regards to in-house financing. Take care and have a great day. If you guys have any comments, hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.